Buying a used Mercedes can either be a smart financial move or a very expensive mistake. The badge alone doesn't tell you which one it will be. Some models look affordable at first, but once you factor in maintenance, electronics, and aging components, the real cost of ownership can rise quickly, and that's where many buyers get caught off guard. But there's another side to the used Mercedes market that most people overlook. Certain models were built with simpler drivetrains, more mature platforms, and engines that have already proven themselves over time. When you combine that with reasonable parts availability and predictable maintenance, you end up with cars that are actually financially safe to own, even years after leaving the showroom. In this video, we're going to look at 5 Mercedes models that are financially safe in the used market. These aren't the obvious choices that show up in every list. Instead, they're models with solid engineering, manageable ownership costs, and a reputation among mechanics for holding up well over time. If you want the experience of owning a Mercedes without turning it into a financial gamble, these are the kinds of cars worth paying attention to. Let's start with the 2013 to 2016 Mercedes-Benz E250 BlueTEC, part of the W212 generation. This model is powered by the 2.1-liter OM651 turbo diesel 4-cylinder paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission. It produces about 195 horsepower and 399 pound-feet of torque, but the real advantage of this car is efficiency combined with long-term durability. The OM651 diesel was engineered for high mileage and low operating stress. Diesel engines typically run at lower RPM and higher compression, which reduces internal wear compared to many gasoline engines. When maintained properly with the correct low-ash oil and regular fuel system service, these engines are well known for reaching 250,000 miles or more without major internal engine work. From a financial perspective, this makes the E250 BlueTEC attractive in the used market. Fuel economy is excellent for a mid-size luxury sedan, often reaching well over 40 miles per gallon on the highway, and the W212 platform itself had already matured by these later production years. That means many early electrical or mechanical issues were already resolved. The main things to watch for are emissions-related components rather than the engine itself. Diesel emission systems such as DF heaters, NOx sensors, and EGR components can require attention as mileage increases. These repairs can be costly, but they are typically far less expensive than major engine or transmission failures. Before buying, confirm proper maintenance records, check for stored emissions codes, verify that the DF system is functioning correctly, and make sure the engine runs smoothly with no excessive smoke or hesitation. When properly maintained, the E250 BlueTEC represents one of the most financially sensible ways to own a Mercedes sedan in the used market. Next is the 2011 to 2015 Mercedes-Benz SLK250, chassis R170T2. This compact roadster uses the 1.8-liter turbocharged M271 inline-4 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission, producing about 200 horsepower and 229 libre-foot of torque. While it's positioned as a small sports car, the real reason it belongs on this list is its relatively simple mechanical layout compared to many other Mercedes models of the same era. The SLK250 benefits from a lightweight platform and fewer complex luxury systems than larger sedans or SUVs. That matters financially in the used market because fewer systems mean fewer potential high-cost failures. The M271 turbo engine itself had already gone through several improvements by the time the R172 generation arrived, and when oil changes are kept conservative around every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, it has a solid track record of long-term reliability. From a cost of ownership standpoint, this model also avoids some of the expensive features that drive up maintenance on larger Mercedes vehicles. There's no air suspension system, the drivetrain is relatively straightforward, and parts availability is strong because the engine was used across multiple Mercedes platforms. Typical issues tend to involve peripheral components rather than major mechanical failures. These can include timing chain wear if oil service intervals were extended too long, occasional turbocharger actuator issues, and normal wear items such as ignition coils or cooling system components. Before purchasing, listen for timing chain noise during cold starts, verify smooth turbo response under acceleration, inspect for oil leaks around the valve cover, and confirm that the retractable hardtop operates smoothly without hesitation. When maintained correctly, the SLK250 can deliver the open-top Mercedes experience while remaining one of the more financially manageable luxury cars in the used market. Next is the 2010 to 2012 Mercedes-Benz C300 from the W24 generation. This model uses the 3.0-liter M272 V6 paired with the 7G-tronic automatic transmission, producing about 228 horsepower and 221 litre-foot of torque. It may not be the fastest car in the Mercedes lineup, but from a financial perspective it represents one of the more predictable ownership experiences in the used luxury market. By the time these model years were produced, the W24 platform had already gone through several refinements. Early production issues had largely been addressed, and the M272 engine was already a well-understood powertrain among independent Mercedes specialists. The engine itself is naturally aspirated, which means it avoids turbochargers, intercoolers, and other high-stress components that can raise long-term repair costs. When oil changes are kept consistent, typically every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, the M272 V6 has a strong record of reaching high mileage without internal engine failures. The 7G-tronic transmission paired with it is also well established, especially when fluid and filter services are performed regularly. Most of the maintenance items owners encounter tend to be predictable wear components rather than catastrophic failures. Intake manifold runner issues, valve cover gasket leaks, ignition coils and suspension components are the most common repairs as these cars age. None of these are unusual for a vehicle in this class, and they are generally manageable compared to major engine or transmission repairs. Before buying, inspect for oil leaks around the valve covers, scan for intake manifold fault codes, confirm smooth shifting from the transmission, and listen for any unusual noises during cold starts. When properly maintained, the W204 C300 offers a balanced combination of durability, manageable maintenance costs, and the solid driving experience many people expect from a Mercedes. Next is the 2014 to 2017 Mercedes-Benz CLA250 chassis C17. This model uses the 2.0-liter turbocharged M270 inline-4 paired with the 7G DCT dual-clutch transmission, producing about 208 horsepower and 258 litre-foot of torque. While the CLA was positioned as an entry-level Mercedes, it actually plays an important role in the used market because of its relatively modern engineering combined with manageable ownership costs. The M270 engine was designed during a period when Mercedes focused heavily on efficiency and compact powertrains. It uses direct injection and turbocharging, but the boost levels are moderate and the engine architecture has proven durable when maintained properly. With oil changes kept around every 5,000 to 7,000 miles, many of these engines have shown solid long-term reliability without internal engine problems. Another reason the CLA250 can be financially safe is parts availability. Because this engine and drivetrain were used across several Mercedes compact models, replacement components are widely available and generally less expensive than parts for larger V6 or V8 platforms. That helps keep ownership costs more predictable over time. Most issues owners encounter tend to involve peripheral components. These can include sensors, ignition coils, occasional thermostat or cooling system parts, and normal wear items as mileage increases. The dual-clutch transmission can feel slightly abrupt at low speeds, but serious failures are uncommon when fluid services are not neglected. Before purchasing, check for smooth turbo response, confirm there are no stored engine or transmission fault codes, verify consistent service history, and make sure the transmission engages cleanly from a stop. When maintained properly, the CLA250 offers a relatively modern Mercedes driving experience while keeping long-term financial risk lower than many larger luxury models. Finally, we have the 2008 to 2011 Mercedes-Benz E550 Coupe chassis C207. This model is powered by the 5.5-liter M273 V8 paired with the 7G tronic automatic transmission, producing about 382 horsepower and 391 litre-foot of torque. While it delivers strong performance, the real reason it appears on this list is the durability of its naturally aspirated V8 combined with a relatively straightforward drivetrain. The M273 engine belongs to a generation of Mercedes V8s that emphasized mechanical robustness rather than extreme turbocharged output. It uses a strong internal design, multi-port fuel injection, and avoids the additional complexity of turbochargers and high-pressure boost systems. When oil changes are kept consistent, ideally every 5,000 miles, and the cooling system is maintained properly, these engines have a reputation for reaching well beyond 200,000 miles without internal engine failures. From a financial standpoint, the E550 Coupe also benefits from sharing many components with the E-Class sedan of the same era. That helps keep parts availability strong and maintenance costs more predictable than some niche luxury coupes. The 7G-tronic transmission paired with the M273 had already been refined through several production cycles and generally holds up well when fluid services are performed regularly. Most of the repairs owners encounter tend to involve age-related wear items rather than catastrophic failures. Valve cover gasket leaks, ignition coils, cooling system components, and engine mounts are the most common maintenance points as these cars accumulate mileage. Before buying, inspect for oil leaks around the valve covers, confirm smooth idle without misfires, verify steady engine temperature during a test drive, and check that the transmission shifts cleanly through all gears. When maintained properly, the E550 Coupe offers one of the most financially manageable ways to experience a naturally aspirated Mercedes V8 in the used market. The used Mercedes market can look intimidating at first, especially when you start hearing stories about expensive repairs and complex technology, but the reality is that not every Mercedes carries the same financial risk. Some models were built with simpler drivetrains, well-understood engines, and platforms that have already proven themselves over time. The cars we covered today fall into that category. They combine relatively durable engines, manageable maintenance costs, and strong parts availability. That doesn't mean they're maintenance-free, but it does mean the ownership experience tends to be far more predictable than many people expect from a luxury brand. The key is choosing the right model and buying a well-maintained example. When you do that, owning a Mercedes in the used market can be a financially sensible decision rather than a costly mistake. Now tell me in the comments which Mercedes model you're considering, how many miles it has, and whether you think it belongs on this list.